Alright, welcome to Charleston, South Carolina, and Carolina Marine Group. We do harbor tours pretty much 12 months out of the year, with the exception of today. We got about 5 or so inches last night. This looks like something that you would see up in New England. It was very icy getting down here. We're gonna walk down the fleet and check it out and make sure they're still floating. And hopefully it's been back up in the 60s this weekend, so we'll be able to continue our tours. We've already got people calling in the middle of the snowstorm, booking for bachelorette parties coming up in the springtime, but just not right now. So there's one and then the other. So they're still afloat, but we're gonna have to check it out. But there's plenty of snow still on these things. Ooh, jeez. Doesn't even look like I can get in my door.